Hi guys. So this is the first time I'm doing live and it's a little bit scary. Anyways, I'm excited to do this live. Um, you're probably going to watch it afterwards anyway. Um, but just wanted to say that I'm going to be coming back with some new content. Thank you for all of those who have sent your contributions about what you'd like to see on the YouTube channel Vegan Inspo. It's really appreciated, and we're going to work on some new content and look forward to seeing you at the beginning of November. So this is just a real short one. Hope that you're well. Hope that you have a good week. And yeah, we're going to have some interesting recipes for you, some, encouragement, and, just a few different things just to, change it up. And so, yeah, and if you want to have some live sessions where you can ask questions and we can share health tips, then let me know that as well. So I just want to say God bless, take care, make sure you're looking after your health as this period is getting colder for some in Europe. For those who are still experiencing the beautiful sunshine,